If you work in industrial automation, you're juggling a lot of responsibilities, but control relays shouldn't be one of them. Traditional ice cube relays are great, but sometimes you don't need extra poles and throws, and sometimes they're just too big to fit the space you have available. That's where G2RV-ST slim relays from Omron can help. They're single pole, double throw, perfect for PLC I/O and control of small loads. They're truly tiny but mighty. Aside from being much smaller than other relays, they're designed for easy maintenance and troubleshooting. They're available with coils for AC, DC, or both in a range of voltage levels. The coil voltage is color-coded and labeled on the front: red for AC, blue for DC, and white for both, so you can avoid accidentally applying the wrong voltage. If you've ever put 120 volts on a 24-volt coil, you'll appreciate how helpful that is. The state of the relay can be seen both with this tab in the window and with a green LED. Very useful in dark panels. The relay and base are sold together, but the relay is removable from the base. Separate replacement relays are available, so you don't have to rewire anything to replace one. They can be configured with screw or spring terminals, and with or without a test lever. G2RV-ST control relays are versatile, small, affordable, and user-friendly. If panel space or maintenance time is a challenge, contact Ramco to learn more. We bring automation to you.